Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is lecture is about the use of drawing tool. Please subscribe my channel. Do share with your friends and fellows. Don't forget to share it with your fellows. Okay. This is totally about the drawing tool. From where would get it? Just double tap on here, and this is your drawing tool. Just check in this draw tool, and this will be appear like this. Okay. From draw tool, when we our information, our map are being edited in ArcMap, we have a background information of that map in the form of attribute table. And when we are using drawing tool and we add any point here, like I want just this point is being edited up on my screen, okay, on my working platform. In this way, this is only the this will appear like the location of this point. In the attribute table of this point, there will be only the location of this point according to x and y coordinates. Okay. After that, I can draw a rectangle. From draw, I can after drawing after putting a rectangle on the platform, I can draw a polygon. Polygon is any closed shape of maybe 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 angles. This is a shape, closed shape. Okay, I hope you can understand that this polygon is any closed shape. Okay, this is my polygon, or this might be of any other any other angles. Any have many angles, have 2 angles, have 3 angles. Any closed figure is called a polygon. Okay. This is just a random information to draw a few things, to draw a few shapes on your working platform, on your working area. Okay. And this is a circle. From here I can draw the circle. Okay. You can, from here you can reshape or make it smaller or bigger. After that circle, there is an ellipse. You can draw ellipse by clicking here. Okay. This is totally the basics. This, from here you can draw a line. Just in this way you will only get the starting and ending coordinates of the line. There is nothing, any other information in the background of these shapes. Okay. You have only the xy coordinates of these the location of these points according to ArcMap. Okay. After line, there is an freehand curve. This is also an other shape. You can see that there are many. You can, from here you can this is to select the shape. This button is used to select the shape. You can randomly select any of one just by clicking on that. This, okay. This is to zoom the selected shape. This is this button is to zoom your selected picture, your selected figure, or your selected line, your selected point. Okay. This is just to rotate. Like I want to just zoom out my data, and I selected this. Just I have selected this figure, and I want this. This will start rotating my figure. Okay. By using this icon, you can rotate your figures according to your own according to the your desire, according to the nature of your working. Okay. And this is very simple, yet that you can rotate your figure. After that, this is to add text. By clicking on this, you can add the text, add any text. Like I want to add text here, for example, a b c, and this will be appeared like this. And this is snipped slip splint text. Okay. After that, label. This is the label button. You can label your figure from here. After labeling, and there is a call out. Okay. A text with a call out box, or the ladder line. Okay. Polygon text, rectangle text, or circle text. These are the few forms of text. This is just to select your language of your desired language of your text. Okay. This is the size of your text. This is used for bold, this is for italic, and this is for underline. And these are the colors, font colors. You can select any of any of color from here to use in within your ArcMap. Okay. This is just to shape, just just select the color from here, and you can color your whole shape and within one click. Okay, select this, and I think so it's not something, maybe I haven't selected any shape, that's why it's not working. This shape is being selected, and I know I want to change the color of this shape. This is being shaped. First of all, you have to select your desired shape, your desired line, your desired point, to change that color. Okay, this is used to change the line color. Okay, this my line color is black, and I want to select that this should be below. I will select it below. My line will be appeared like the color of my line will be changed to blue, from black to blue. This is to the color of the point. I just want to change it to black. The my color of the point, this is first of all you have to select the shape or point or line to change its color. Okay, and then you should have change the color. This will be, my point will be like black. Or from here you can reshape your figure as much as you can. As my this my like appearing like working, appearing like bigger and bigger, I can make it smaller and smaller. Okay, this is all about the draw tool in ArcMap, ArcGIS. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and do share with your friends and fellows. Learn with me to earn in dollars. This software is having highly paid projects in the freelance platform. Please don't hesitate to ask questions. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.